This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to charge a Chevy Traverse battery safely and effectively. Before we begin, remember that safety is paramount. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure you are in a well-ventilated space, as batteries can release gases during charging. Also, always turn off your vehicle and all electrical accessories before you start any charging process. Let's get your Traverse powered up. If your Traverse battery is completely dead, jump starting is a quick solution. The battery is actually in the passenger cabin, but there are convenient remote jump start terminals under the hood. First, connect the red positive cable to the positive terminal on both vehicles. Then, attach the black negative cable to the good battery's negative terminal and a clean, unpainted metal part on your Traverse's engine block. Start the assisting vehicle, let it run for a few minutes, then try starting your Traverse. For a more thorough charge, use a dedicated battery charger. First, connect the red positive charger clamp to your Traverse's positive battery terminal, which is under the hood. Next, attach the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery. Always consult your charger's manual for specific settings. A standard 2-amp trickle charger can take between 24 and 48 hours to fully charge a deeply discharged 12-volt battery. Maintaining your battery properly can significantly extend its lifespan. Regularly inspect and clean the battery terminals to prevent corrosion, ensuring a strong connection. If your Traverse sits for long periods, a battery maintainer is an excellent investment to keep it topped off. Also, aim for at least 3 30-minute drives at highway speeds each week, as short trips don't fully recharge the battery. Finally, have your battery professionally tested every 3 to 5 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.